Are you okay?
Yes.
I will give you like this. Are you not old enough to take of this family? Even if I'm the man of this house, you are still the woman of this house. Things can still be coming out from you. I told you, since you start babbling this your head, you barb away your senses. Either you leave the road now or I leave you out of the road.
I will not do anything.
I'll not do anything. I will surprise you.
Finish him.
Hey, what? You want to kill me? Hey, what? I will get. How are you fighting? Nothing is going on. We are okay, as you can see.
You guys were, quarreling.
I don't want to fight. We will not fight in the afternoon like this when the weather is hot.
Okay. Are you sure you're not quarreling? Because when you you were, shouting, you want to kill me, oh, you want to kill me, oh, you want to. In fact, are you the one beating your wife or is your wife the one beating you?
You know when you are getting old like this, that's how you be hearing strange voices. That's to know when you are getting old, and that's symptoms of old age.
Are you sure you're not fighting?
No fight. We are discussing the betterment of this country.
Okay. No problem,
So you just try and take off yourself,
So if you want to fight, you come here,
Exactly.
Papa Ojo.
No one.
I will see you people,
No quarrel, no fight.
Finish him.
You are not serious. You think I'm joking with you? You think I'm joking?